Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making clear slime. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And most of all, my Snapchat is right there. So make sure to go follow me. And my Musical.ly is right here. So yeah, let's go in the camera setup. Okay, so I'm using this Elmer's clear glue, some glitter, and some Tide. Okay, so let's use this and a spoon. I actually got a knife, so. I did save some, so I can make some later. And this is going to be a little bit blue because of the Tide. So, no hate. So we're going to add some of the glitter. There. This is going to be more of like an aqua slime, because it is sort of blue from the Tide. And then I just showed you, I added some of the glitter. I need to activate it a little bit more. So this is what it turned out. It is soapy, and I do want to touch it. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to touch it, only with one hand though, so that if it needs more activator, I'll put some more. Guys, so we're making paint, and we're about to eat. So I'll finish the video and everything after. So yeah, see you in. Okay.
So much for the photo contest.
Still have one roll of film left.
What do you want to do with it?
So this is what it turned out.
What the? Kids? You two are up playing spin the bottle with Zeus.
Well, we spent all day trying to find a legendary dinosaur.
But we realized the only dinosaur we want to hang out with is right here.
Save your sympathy. I've been having a great time without you. Making friends, talking to my reflection. I gotta run in with the light police. Guess I gotta wear this ankle bracelet now, so that'll be fun.
So I guess there isn't room in that boat for 3 more?
You knuckle knuckleheads ever seen me turn a hook with my eyes closed?
$5 says you can't do it.
You're on!
$5 more says you can't do it with your eyes closed, plus me singing at the top of my lungs.
I like those odds. Whoa, what happened to your shirt?
Long story, dude.
All right, everybody get together. Say fishing.
Fishing.
Dude, am I in the frame?
So this is what it turned out to be. And it's really also sticky. So I'll be back when it's fixed up. So this is the final thing.
Mobile bro.
Ta-da! Lunch is served. I call it candy surprise. The surprise is it's full of candy.
But what about our healthy diet?
Come on, guys, life is short. Treat yourself. Hang on a second. I gotta show this to my followers. Hashtag no spaces. They'll figure it out.
Dude, you have followers?
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Most of all, bye.